Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be update each time I upload a new video. And remember to give me a thumbs up if you like my video so that it will give me more motivation to share with you of my new unboxing future unboxing video. Yeah, as you can see today I got this another unboxing. Yeah, as you know that because festive season is coming, Christmas, yeah, so you tend to get more something for your loved one and also for yourself. And today I got another item from MCM. Yeah, yes, MCM. I got this so-called, you can see from the heading, this is a card holder and also common neck bag. And I will let you know why I get this item. Okay, actually the packaging you can see is also quite nice. Yeah, it's come with a black paper bag, and also the MCM is printed on, but the logo is black in color. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it. Yeah, then and also it comes with a ribbon beside. They tie a ribbon beside the paper bag, so it's pretty quite nice. Yeah, so maybe I show you nearer. So you can see the MCM is printed on the black paper bag. The MCM is also in black in color. Yeah, so yeah, so it comes with the sticker gold color and the ribbon MCM here. Yeah, so the packaging is quite nice. Okay, so without further ado, let's unbox this together. Yep. Oh, okay. So this is quite nice. You can see the box. If you guys are first time getting, yeah, so it's black box. So and also there is MCM all over the box. Yeah, just like what I show you on the paper bag. Yeah, on the front and also the back. So this is how the box look like. Yeah, so this is how the box look like. Okay, so let's unbox this together. So it comes with a dust bag also. Are you guys excited to see what I got? It's quite small, but to me this is quite something that is quite useful. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it look like. So this is so-called like net bag. Also you can call it lanyard. So because now it's very trendy, you know that now net bag is quite trendy, and this is like lanyard kind. Yeah, so and this is quite special. It's in beige color. Then the MCM is in gold color. Yeah, the so-called, this called I think is visco they call it. Yeah, so the leather is in beige color. So and the zip hardware, all this is in gold. So this is, and behind there is also a logo there. Later I show you nearer. So it got printed on MCM all over. So this is, you can wear it this way, yeah, or you can wear it this way, but this way will be like yeah, so you'll see the MCM. Anyway, MCM is all in this direction, so you just have to wear it this way, yeah, or you can wear it this way. Yep. So there is also, depending on which way you want to wear it. Yeah, so and I quite like it. This one you can place like 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, and also there is a zip in between. So there is a zip in between, you can place more cards. Yeah, so it's much convenient. So if let's say now, because mostly we do not use cash anymore, so that cashless. So most of the time you will be using credit card or etc. So this is quite useful. And actually this lanyard you can take out this, so you can take out the that so you can just use as a card holder also. So to me it's very multi-function. So you can either, if you need card holder, you just carry this out without this, or you can just put this on and you can just hang over your neck. So if let's say you need to scan something, it's quite convenient to me. So you can just like scan it. Yeah, so if let's say you need to go anywhere, you need to scan, you just wear over your neck and you can just scan it. It's quite convenient, I would say. So that's why I got this. Yeah, yes. And also, yeah, maybe I shall show you guys nearer how does this look like, to let you guys can consider if you like it and take a closer look on it. So this is how it look like. So as I mentioned, there is you can place five card. Yeah, there's 5 card here. So this part is gold in color. It will come with leather. So MCM printed in black with the logo here. And on the back you can see. So it's also this material. Then with MCM all over. Then this is also embossed on it. MCM here. Yeah. And the hardware is gold in color. Yeah, so and the strap is also in leather. And also where I tell you there's a zip in between here. Behind you can't put anything, so there's a zip here and also in gold hardware, so you can place more card or some coins or etc. Yeah, so this is very convenient, so that's why I got this, so to share with you guys. Okay, hope you guys enjoy my today unboxing video of this small item. Yeah, so if you guys like my video, remember to give me a thumbs up, and also remember to share with your friend who you think they are interested in all this luxury unboxing video. Thank you very much. Hope to see you guys again. See you. Bye bye.